we bang. Oh, we banging. Mukbang. A mukbang.
What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Happy Fast Food Friday. Yes, you guys. All right, what's up, everybody? Oh my gosh. I am still here in Dallas, and I am at Emerald City. What is this? Oh my gosh. Emerald City Bar and Grill. I already showed you guys the menu. And oh my God, I cannot friggin' wait to eat this food. You guys, I forgot to tell you guys that Black Beauty Management sent me here. She actually sent me here, and this is on business. I'm just so happy and thankful. Like, you guys, this whole video is sponsored. You guys, thanks to y'all. Like, I really appreciate the support that you guys have been giving me. It is friggin' amazing. I want to go ahead and hurry up and eat this friggin' food. Y'all, look at this. Oh my God. Thumbnail. I'm so sorry if I'm washed out, but we're gonna roll with it, okay? Can we just roll with it? All right, let me get this gum out of my mouth. How unprofessional. And y'all, this lemonade, oh my gosh, this is the best, y'all. Oh my God, y'all. If y'all live anywhere in, I believe this is South Dallas, Emerald City Bar and Grill, y'all have to come and get this. It's called Nora's Lemonade, y'all. Nora's Lemonade. Excuse any noises that you may hear. Y'all, it is the friggin' bomb, okay? Let me go ahead and get into this food. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I already know. Gotta have my pill. Because I don't know if there's milk in any of this, so I'm pretty sure there is. I can sit it right here. Oh my gosh. You guys, let me get this pill in my mouth, because I'm about to chow down. You guys, start this video off with thumbsing it up. Subscribe if you haven't already. For everyday videos, Y'all, I'm feeling good, okay? I'm feeling so much better. Yes, she's back also. I was getting tired of the straight hair. Like, I didn't want to wear it out. Like, I had to bring her back. Nice curls, love it. All right, so these are the hush puppies, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. These are freaking delicious. So what has everybody been up to? Y'all, I have another video coming up after this one. Strawberries, y'all. I have been waiting to do a dessert video with you guys, and I cannot wait. It is coming up, y'all. It is definitely coming up. Now these fries are good. Delicious. So you guys, I have a sampler here. Basically, I have some of everything. I have some good catfish on here, you guys. Oh my gosh. Let me get this. Oh, And they put a piece of bread under it, y'all. Like, you're not gonna get this nowhere else. Like, let me know in the comments if you're from Dallas. Have you ever been to Emerald City Bar and Grill? Have you ever been here? The season on this fish, y'all. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Just in case y'all don't know, the address here is 2532 Martin Luther King Drive Boulevard, Dallas, Texas, y'all. Okay? Just in case you want to come stop by and come get some of this delicious freaking food and this amazing lemonade. Oh my gosh. Oh, it is so freaking good. Okay, so this is tartar sauce. So I'm gonna dip this fish in some of this daggone tartar sauce. Y'all know I have to have my tartar sauce. What kind of tartar sauce? This, oh my God, the tartar sauce is even good. Y'all, this is a hole in the wall. I swear some of the best food is in these hole in the wall places, y'all. Oh my God. Like this fish is so flavorful and good. Y'all, this is ridiculous. So, you guys are having a grand opening. So, all of November, there's going to be food specials. There's going to be drink specials. There's no cover charge. Yeah. I'm telling you, if you're in Dallas, you have to come visit. I'm actually in here by myself. Yay. Okay. How special am I? Oh. I mean, this is catfish, y'all. It is so good. Y'all, look at this fish. And then they put pickles on your plate. Really? Pickles with seasoning on them, y'all. Who does that? And they give you jalapeno. Y'all, I'm done. I'm so done. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking delicious, y'all. I don't even know what to freaking say. I really don't. Oh my God. The hush puppies are so seasoned. It tastes like they got onions in them or something. I don't even know. The lady who cooks all this food, she's from Louisiana. Y'all already know it's bomb. Y'all already know. Y'all, so good. I can't even stand it right now. Thank you so much to Black Beauty Management. Like, really? Like, seriously. She is freaking bomb, y'all, for bringing me out here, like, for real. I really, really appreciate it. And she is doing big things, for real. Like, even this daggone couch that I'm sitting on, Black Beauty Furniture. Like, seriously, you have a furniture store? Like, I mean, Black Beauty accessories. These earrings I have, y'all, look at these earrings. Aren't they freaking bomb? Like, I love them so much. I already told y'all about her online store. But she's real big on Facebook. Y'all have to check her out. Check her out. I will have all of her information in the description box. Y'all, this food. Let me taste these wings. Y'all already know I said that I didn't want no daggone wings, but I have to taste these. Like, they smell so good. I just cannot right now. I knew it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm so sorry if I'm not talking. The crunch and the flavor on these wings. So you're not gonna get this kind of food at Popeyes. Like, seriously, you're just not. And at churches, like, y'all. Y'all, I am in complete heaven right now. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna call this video. Oh. So delicious. And so, what is this? Oh my God. They put a nice salad on here too with some chicken breasts on top. Oh, I'm done. I'm totally done. Look at this. Now, I'm so excited. I'm freaking sweating right now. Like, really? So salad has lettuce, tomatoes, breaded chicken breast on top. Oh my God, so good. And onions. And I usually don't eat onions on my salad, but in here, oh my God, it's so good. I could not stand it right now. And they put cheese on here too. So delicious. Y'all tell me what y'all are eating with me today. Oh my God, what y'all been up to? Like, oh my God, y'all, I am turning up out here, like, for real. I'm having so much freaking fun. Like, I'm so glad y'all rocking with me. I'm so sorry that I put that video out at 2 o'clock in the morning last night. Like, I was having so much fun, I forgot to put the video out. When I thought about it, I was like, oh my God, it's so late. And I was gonna wait, and I was like, I'm just gonna put it out because they're gonna eventually watch it, so. But yeah, y'all, I freaking love these. Look at these earrings. I love them. Like, they are so mean. I have to get these in gold too, like, seriously. So freaking cute. Yeah, y'all, I'm trying to do fettuccine Alfredo for Soul Food Sunday. I know it's not soul food, but I'm trying to do it for Sunday, y'all. Tell me what y'all think about that in the comments. Oh my God. Y'all, let me get some more of this daggone fish. Look at this fish. Do y'all see this? Like, freaking delicious. They are so thick. Y'all the best fish I can ever tasted, like, for real. Y'all, thank you, Jesus, for blessing me. Like, I had just to take a minute to thank God for his blessings. Like, just when I thought things were going downhill, I don't have no money. You know what I'm saying? There go God doing and blessing me. Like, just a blessing, y'all. I'm just grateful right now. Y'all call me being grateful. Grateful to you guys for just even watching, you know. Amazing. So delicious. And so I noticed in the other video I asked y'all, did y'all want me to do did y'all want me to do, what was it? The other hamburger place, not Hardee's, but Carl's Jr. Nobody said anything. So I'm just guessing that y'all don't want to see it. I don't know. Maybe you didn't watch it that far. Ooh, got hair in my eye. But yeah, y'all. I got my Nor lemonade. Yes, you guys. Bomb. Oh, it's so good. Y'all hear that ice? Something y'all don't normally hear. Y'all, this is everything. Absolutely everything. I know y'all hear that crunch on that fish. Freaking delicious. so good. Y'all, I hope the color is a little bit better in here. It's still kind of bright, I can see, but I don't know. Hopefully it's good enough, y'all. I'm so sorry if it's not. Mukbang, a mukbanging, a mukbang, a mukbanging, a we hang, a we hanging. Ooh. Oh, excuse me. Y'all already know. Oh, excuse me. Jeez. Gosh, this is so good. Oh, she even put some daggone bell pepper, chopped up bell pepper in the salad, y'all. Delicious. Y'all already know I'm not gonna be able to eat all of it. Yeah, y'all. So if y'all hadn't seen my In-N-Out burger video, make sure y'all go check that out, because people are just now starting to look at it because I put it up so freaking late. Like, that is my bad, y'all. But hopefully this video won't be that late tonight. It shouldn't be, because as soon as I'm done, I'm going to edit it and do everything I'm supposed to do. So, yeah, y'all. Oh my God. We just had so much fun last night. Like, just sitting up talking and y'all, we had this Jack Daniels called Jack Daniels Honey. Y'all, if y'all don't taste that, or tell me in the comments if you have tasted it, it is the freaking bomb. I never even heard of it before, because I don't normally just be drinking like that, you know what I'm saying? But she had, it's called Jack Daniels Honey. Oh my God. Y'all, it was the best drink I have ever tasted. Like, it goes down so freaking smooth. You know how sometimes liquor is just disgusting. It's like, ugh, you know? You can drink that by itself on the rocks, y'all. Ridiculous. Pickles and fish and jalapeno, like, it just all goes together. It's so good. It's so freaking soulful and down home, and you know what I'm saying? Are y'all feeling me? Okay, let me know in the comments. Are y'all feeling me? Like, this is like soulful. Like, I should have saved this for Soul Food Sunday. So good. I cannot right now. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, I'm so sorry. lately people have been asking me to turn my mic down. Do you guys need me to turn my mic down? I need to know from more than 2 people if I need to turn my mic down. Just comment and let me know in the comments. Even if you never comment, let me know if I need to turn my mic down. My camera keeps cutting off. Y'all, I need to read some of y'all's comments too. Oh my goodness. Y'all was so happy that I went to In-N-Out. Like, I was happy too, but y'all were ecstatic. I was just so surprised by those fries though. I was so surprised by them. Like, I just knew everything was gonna be good. The burger was amazing. But those fries, but when y'all commented, y'all were like, I should have had the animal fries. Like, nobody told me about that. Like, I would think that the people there would tell me, but I guess not. Because I was looking at that menu like, dang, this is a simple menu. Like, they only have a couple of things that you can order. But obviously there's a menu that nobody else, that they don't, put up for everybody to see. That y'all were saying that it was a secret menu. I wish I would have knew before. But, yeah, I kind of want to do a redo. You know what I'm saying? Before I leave. What y'all think? I know my friend, she has never been to Five Guys, and they have a Five Guys out here. And I was like, we should all mukbang together, Five Guys. What do y'all think about that? I think we should. I want to see her reaction on that burger. And I want to see if the burgers out here taste the same. You know what I'm saying? As in where I was before. And what was that? That wasn't even Houston. That was Cypress. God, y'all, I'm getting full. I'm getting super duper. Solid. I mean, she just hooked it up, y'all. Hooked it up. But I'm not the only one. Oh, 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 oh. What they want, what they want, what they want. God's sign that they know that what they want. I don't even know if that's how to sing it, but I love that freaking song, y'all. I think that's Wyclef and I don't know who else it is. Let me know in the comments if you know who it is. I know it's Wyclef and somebody. I think Future is in there too. Y'all ain't fooling me at all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Hello. It's always in the description box. Instagram, Snapchat. Friggin', what else? Instagram and Snapchat, y'all. And Twitter. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Okay. Follow your girl. So I can know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, it's fish. So delicious. Y'all, I did eat a lot of it though. Y'all know I've been getting full. Anyway, I will leave Black Beauty Management, everything in the description box, you guys. You have to go check her out. She is freaking amazing. One woman show, okay? Doing it, y'all. Black Beauty Management, Black Beauty Accessories, Black Beauty friggin' furniture. Like, really? I mean, seriously? Oh my God. I cannot wait till I get my house so I can get me some of this. Really not, like, her stuff is bad, y'all. Like, for real. Bad. Y'all, I be glad when things happen for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you look around and like things are happening, you know, for everybody. You know, I know it's gonna happen one day. I know it is. But I just imagine sometimes, you know what I'm saying? I want to say welcome also to all of my new subscribers. Y'all are just falling in here like, oh my God. I'm so freaking happy. I'm so happy. And to my day ones, like, y'all are my hitters. Like, for real. I love all of y'all. Like, y'all are so freaking amazing to me. So freaking amazing. Y'all tell me to go to the best freaking places. Like, y'all. Anyway, I was gonna read some of the comments. Let me see if I can pull them up, because I haven't been able to get really good reception, y'all. Okay, here we go. Okay, so Lindsay Molina says, anyways, good in and out mukbang, ma'am. Keep the food videos coming always, with respect. OG, Mr. Molina, West Coast, San Diego, California. All right. Nat Love Strawberry says, yes, Yummy B. I'm from Cali, and I'm so happy you're doing in and out. Yes, Lord, thank you. My absolute favorite burger of all time. Yes, that burger was good. I'm not even going to hate on that. It was very good. Texas Love said, in and out is just okay to me. I'm not a fan of that sauce they put on stuff, and their fries suck to me. People hype it up. Now, I must say that those fries were not good. I already said that, though. I said those fries were not good. I didn't like those fries, y'all. Somebody told him, you fucking tripping. Wyatt Hewer said, you fucking tripping. It's the truth, though. And then Nat Little Strawberry says, in and out, IMO is way better than Five Guys. Their fries are never frozen, all fresh, and so are their burgers. Love it. Thanks for doing this big, girl. Love you. Oh, Nat Love Strawberry says that. Really? You think so, girl? I have to disagree. They did say that. They said that their fries are never frozen. I don't know what kind of fresh cut fries those are then. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm going to leave it like that. David Anderson says Five Guys. He just says Five Guys. Zemo Afia says, yay, every day new video. Yes. Brianna Suwinka says, hi, I'm new to the channel. Welcome. Welcome, Brianna. Glow says, yeah, In-N-Out fries suck. Whenever I order their fries, they gotta be animal style. Now, I got to find out what animal style is. Nobody has told me yet, because I don't know. Shireen Sultana says, animal style fries are much better. It has grilled onions, melted cheese, and their secrets. Okay, all right, now I know. Now I can go and try their fries. We'll see. M Tosh 92 says, I'm going to California next week, and I'm so looking forward to trying In-N-Out. Really? People rave about it. They really do. But I agree. I still think that Five Guys is hard to beat. It really is. I mean, it just is. However, the price for In-N-Out, I like. Well, yes, I do too. Like, oh my God, you can get a whole meal at In-N-Out for the price of one burger at Five Guys, y'all. For real, it's ridiculous. Quita Maven says, we don't have an In-N-Out here. I must say, those are the cheapest prices I've ever seen on a fast food menu. I know. I was like, oh, what is this? Like, I wonder why it's so cheap. You know what? The burgers aren't that big. They're not that big. Maybe that's one of the reasons. Nerd K says, I'm waiting your videos every day. Your energy makes me happy. Oh, that makes me happy. Thank you. Wyatt Hewer says, hey, I seen a Fat Burger comment. Screw In-N-Out and Five Guys. Get you a Fat Burger. We actually have Fat Burger in Bryan. And I did a Fat Burger video, y'all. Y'all need to go back on my videos. Because I did a lot of stuff that y'all be wanting me to do. I've already done it. Yup. But, LaBria, Kansas City says, Yummybitestv, girl, you make me smile and laugh. Oh, thank you. Ray Carl Brown Amory says, you have the best channel, Yummy. I could watch all day. Too bad they don't have In-N-Out here where I live. Well, see if they have Five Guys. For real. Cherie Howard says, you are the stuff for making a vid on vacation. And I was laughing looking at the naked mannequin over your left shoulder the whole time. Haha. I knew y'all were going to say something about that. Love your videos. I love both Five Guys and In-N-Out. They're totally different kinds of restaurants to me, though. In-N-Out is more compared to other fast food places, you know? That's true. Five Guys, like, stands alone. Like, Five Guys is not like a fast food. You know what I'm saying? Because you're going to slow up on that price, okay? At Five Guys, it's going to make it slow down, okay? You're not going to be going fast, okay, when you buy that stuff. You're going to be like, ooh, do I have enough money for that? Like, for real. Wyatt Hewer says In-N-Out. He just says In-N-Out. What is up? Cherish May says, I like both, can't choose. Really? Tangler Humphrey says, I love your show. Please shout me out, and would you cook spaghetti and meatballs with fried chicken? I already did spaghetti with meatballs, and I did fried chicken, but you want me to do them together? Ugh. Really? Who does that, I wonder? I don't think I've ever seen spaghetti and meatballs and fried chicken. I don't think I've ever seen that. Marcelina Rosario says, I'm having Chinese food for dinner. You look really good, and that hairstyle. Love you, girl. Love you too. Let's see. Kathy Charisma. I think that's what it is. Gives me a, oh Lord, y'all almost dropped it. One of these. My girl Fit Angie says, hey girl, I've seen those burgers in many videos and they look delicious. The fries look so yum also. Love this video as always, and I'm craving a burger and fries. Love you too, girl. Yeah, those fries are deceiving, hunty, because they were not good. I'm sorry to keep saying that. But I don't want to, you know, lead nobody astray. Connie Hokamau says, girl, you got me hungry. I had hot chips for dinner, and I want that burger now. What's up to Meek? Mr. Pz says, I'm always waiting to hear my comment at the end of the video, but I never do anymore. Hopefully you'll see this one though. Have an awesome day, Mr. Pz. What's up? Shout out to Mr. Pz. What's up, bro? I love reading your comments. Yeah, I hadn't been seeing them. You know what? You know, they may be going to spam. That may be the problem. And he says, and Five Guys is definitely better than In-N-Out. Thank you. I agree. I totally agree. Kellyanne Noble says, I have never tried In-N-Out or Five Guys. Very limited in the UK. And then she says, they have Five Guys in England now. I've had it. It's so good with the bacon. Oh, you got bacon. My daughter got the one with bacon, and she loved it. Like, she was speechless when she was eating it. Kathy Kim, what's up, girl? She says, yes, girl, finally you've had some In-N-Out. It is the best. Now I got to go get me some. LOL, love you. Love you, too. Esther Soley says, well, it's 6 a.m. in Cali. I usually get animal-style fries, but they have great customer service, which you barely get at any other place. LOL, miss you. I miss you too. And that is so true. Their customer service was like none other. Like, just the tone in that girl's voice when she was taking my order, it just made me happy. Like, it makes you happy. Other people need that so bad. Like, those people with happy in their voices, like, you have to have that when you are working with the public, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't have an attitude in your voice. You just can't. You gotta leave it at home. You got to leave it at home. Nafisa Muhammad says, in Columbus, Georgia, it's 9 a.m. Y'all, I'm so sorry I put that video out so late. Fabio Madison says, that chair looks like the Big Brother one. I love that freaking chair. I thought it was so fly. Lordia 1987 says, at 8:09, anyone else tried to get the bug off the screen? No, just me? Okay. Great video as always. Love your personality. Big hugs all the way from Sweden. What's up? I didn't know the bug was on the daggone screen. I know it was on me trying to bite me. I know that much. Angel Life Music ATX says, we killed some In-N-Out the other night. I want some more now. Girl, did y'all kill it, girl? Did y'all kill it? Dante Markle says, I wonder if the fries are battered or breaded. Neither. They're not battered or breaded. They're just regular fries. KR says, OMG, I have wanted to try this for so long. Like, everybody wants to try In-N-Out. They are so freaking popular. It is ridiculous. Jordan Tyndall says, loving the hair, looks delicious as always. Thank you. Hannah Griggs says, I wish we had this place in UK instead of McDonald's. It would go down so much better. I'm pretty sure. Because McDonald's, yeah. Kellyanne Noble says, so getting Nicki Minaj vibes from this wig. So beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, y'all, I had to give that wig a freaking break. Like, it needed a break. Y'all, let me go. Miss Gumby02 says, their fries are never frozen and are fresh cut. Great content as always. Last time I had In-N-Out, I was in Cali. Oh, and that spread on the burger is so bomb. Yeah, whatever it is on the burger is amazing. I just was not feeling those fries. I'm sorry. Shamar, what's up, girl? She says, I was asleep when this posted. Trust me, sis. I was mukbanging in my sleep. LOL. You look so pretty as always, sis. I don't eat burgers no more, sis. That burger looks yummy. In my state, we don't have one here. Oh, it's okay. Girl, go to Five Guys. I'm trying to tell you. Brittany BTV says, I always wanted to try In-N-Out burger. Y'all, everybody wants to try it. Everybody. Kathy Kim says, the burgers are bomb and the fries are a hit and miss at times. Honestly, where I live when I live, In-N-Out is bomb. I like In-N-Out here, but Five Guys where I live is not so hot. See, I guess it just depends where you're at. You know, maybe they make the food differently. That's what you guys. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. All right. And oh, y'all, did y'all notice my voice was off yesterday? Oh my God, it was so off. I was so embarrassed. And I was so tired from driving. Even though it wasn't that long, but I was still tired. I will see you guys on Saturday. I cannot friggin' wait to bring y'all this. Oh my God, I'm just so excited for everything, y'all. I'm so excited. Yeah, so I will see you guys on tomorrow. Peace. Love y'all so friggin' much. All right? Bye.